celebrate, the musical work of Coco has been cancelled. We regret any inconvenience.
Zephyr attraction if at any moment or when alarm sounds, something forced to cancel display and not display. Unfortunately, at this time, the Golden Zephyr will be grounding your flight for the high winds. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened on the Thanks for flying the Golden Zephyr. I'll let you know when to safely exit. Almost there, please remain seated. I'll let you know when to safely exit. Exit. Once again, at this time, unfortunately, we are now closed due to high winds. Please reverse your direction to the nearest exit.